just make sure that that is highlighted, and we hit go online. Now, the computer itself has to assign itself a .0 address, so we just click yes to this one. So it's assigning itself a .0 IP address for this network so that it can act as the item that pushes things to any one of the devices that are on there. We're saying that that's okay. All right. Now we can see that our program box are different than lower level component, et cetera, et cetera. So what we want to do is we want to get the latest program that's on this off of this so that we know what's going on, right? This one is not necessarily the one that we're going to be working with. So the version that that is on the PLC is going to be different than the one that you do. So we're going to go ahead and upload what program is on this PLC onto here. So we're going to hit upload from device, and we're going to hit continue, upload from device. So now we've got a green bubble there instead of a difference one. So this is what we want when we're monitoring things. We want to monitor the exact code that's on here, so they need to be the same. So now, George, would you mind turning on those pumps over there? Both of them. There we go. So you can monitor things on any number of ways, right? We can create monitoring tables that will monitor individual tags, or we can look at them inside the actual ladder logic. We can see what's going on here. This is your monitoring tab here. So you can hit monitor on, and it's going to tell you green indicates that that is true, and blue and the dashed lines equals false. So if I was to hold these two buttons down, we'd see that it would change those, right? Which is great for the purposes of monitoring this in as far as monitoring the logic. But what we're really concerned about is certain states of the machine. We know what different individual combinations of tags are going to indicate a state that we want to display on our HMI. So for that, we have something that is called a watch and force table. And you can add a new watch table, and basically from here we can just select any of our likely candidates here. And this is the monitor value here. So if we hit play, it's going to tell us the status of each of those. So then we can start going through the cycle, and we can basically determine various different tags that we can use. So you're going to want to create your own thing. Now, in order to do that, we're going to, and I will make sure that I have this done before, because this is not the right version to be running on this, we'll grab I'll grab the HMI Cookie Start one and load it on here, load it onto the PLC so that you can grab the right tags, the tags that are actually available to you, because this is a different program that was written for a different class. Okay, so right now, what I want you to focus on doing is doing the, and George, or whoever's back there, Andre, can you shut the pumps off? Help everybody hear a little bit. But yeah, the main thing is with monitoring, it's the glasses function with the play button underneath it. Okay. So you construct your own monitoring things based upon what you've got, and basically that way you can verify that this is going to work. But start out with your best guess based upon the tags that you've got available to you. Okay. And then you can come and I'm gonna go ahead and do a load in of the HMI Cookie Start program to this PLC so that it's the same as what you're looking at. Okay? Questions on this?